guys, it's Teddy from Rotary Creations, and this is just a quick update video to let you know that I posted the video, or by this time I hope it's been posted. Kind of just put it on my computer and waited for it to upload, but I'm posting the video for how to make your own wooden ring with your Dremel or limited tools, actually. And so it's very long. It's about 31 minutes long. I know it does seem really long for kind of making an easy deal, but this is my first video that I did, so I wanted to make sure I packed it full of information that you can find useful and things that could help you with your wooden rings. So as I said in my ring making video, leave some comments of how your wooden rings came out, or if you're able to try them, or questions you have about certain things about making it, or kind of what you need or stuff like that, and I'll provide some information. Another thing I'd like to say is just please subscribe. I know it's a reoccurring thing to ask, but I mean, it would really help me out on trying to get it to monetize. Trying to get my YouTube channel demonetized. I know this is just my first few videos, but it would greatly help me out, since I do have to buy more and more things to support this YouTube channel. Like, I have to buy a bunch of lumber to build projects, and I also have to buy more tools, which I don't already have. So that's a big issue for me. So if y'all could just help me out with subscribing, I mean, even if you don't watch the page, I mean, please, come on. So there will be something useful on this page for you, whether it be a desk, whether it be making a ring from your Dremel. I think this page could really help you out, and it helps me out a lot. I learned a lot of stuff along the way, and how to prevent mistakes and stuff like that. And then I can pass that information to you, so you don't have to have that problem. So I know the video that I will have posted soon about the ring will be very long, but it's packed full of information. Now, I did cut a bunch of the clips out of it of when I was filming it, so there will be gaps and stuff like that, but other than that, yeah, I put the most essential stuff in there that you need to know for when making your wood ring. So yeah, go watch that video. It's really fun. I enjoyed doing it. It took me quite a while, since I was doing it for the YouTube channel, but if you watch it all the way through and then you go and do it by yourself, you could do a wooden ring in 10-15 minutes. It really doesn't take that long. It just takes longer to film it and explain things. So that's another reason why the video is so long. So just bear with me. I know I have to talk a lot in it, but it's just to help you as much as I can. And I'll make shorter videos and easier projects and stuff like that. And I'll do a full hyperlapse video with a voiceover and stuff like that. So that way you don't have to watch a whole 40-minute video of how to build something. So I'll do my best to keep it down. But if I think there's important stuff in it that I need to explain and have a pause for the hyperlapse video, I will. So yeah, just some information. Please share this with your friends. It's a neat project and it's fun to do, even if you have only a few other tools. I mean, you can do this with all your bare hands, even if you have just sandpaper and the spade cutters and stuff like that. You can make wood rings out of a lot of different tools. It's just, for our purposes, it's out of Dremel and limited tools, such as your drill and stuff like that. But yeah, so please subscribe and like the video. Leave some comments of some things you would like to see me do on this channel. I'm open to suggestions, and I'd love to discuss a suggestion that you may have. But yeah, and just share this around. Hopefully I can get this to pay for itself, so that way I don't have to shell out too much money. But yeah, thank you for your support, and enjoy the ring making video.